If Pixlr is giving you a cloud save error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the fastest fixes that usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. Whether you're seeing a storage full message, a save failed error, or the file just refuses to upload, these steps will help you get back to editing without losing your work. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing to try is a force refresh. This is the quickest fix and it often clears out temporary browser glitches that can block Pixlr from saving properly. If you're on Windows, click on the Pixlr tab and press Ctrl, Shift and R at the same time. If you're on a Mac, use Command, Shift and R. This reloads the page more deeply than a normal refresh and can clear up minor issues without deleting your project or your data. After it reloads, go back and try saving your file again. In many cases, that alone fixes the cloud save error. If the error still shows up, the next thing to do is clear the site data for Pixlr. This is especially useful if you're seeing a storage full type of message. To do that, click the lock icon next to the web address in your browser, then open the site settings or manage section. Look for Pixlr in the list and click the trash can icon next to it to remove the stored site data. When prompted, make sure you select cookies and site data. Once that's cleared, refresh the page and sign back into Pixlr if needed. Keep in mind that this may reset some preferences, but it often fixes the full storage error and lets you save again. Now, if Pixlr still won't save, the next best test is to open it in an incognito window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. That opens a private browsing window. Then go to pixlr.com and try the same save again. If it works in incognito mode, that usually means one of your browser extensions is interfering with the save process. Common culprits are ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or even a VPN extension. Go back to your regular browser and disable your extensions one at a time, then test Pixlr again until you find the one causing the issue. After that, it's important to verify your file settings. Sometimes the cloud save error happens because the file name or export format is causing a problem. First, rename the file and remove any special characters like hashtags, slashes, commas, or symbols. Keep the name simple and clean. Next, check the format you're trying to save. If you do not need layers, choose .jpg or .png instead of .bus. That can make saving much easier and more reliable. And if your file is too large, lower the quality slider a little, for example to 90%, so the file stays under the limit and saves more smoothly. So to recap, if Pixlr Cloud Save is failing, start with a force refresh, then clear the site data, test in incognito mode, disable any problematic extensions, and finally, check your file name, format, and size. One of these fixes usually solves the issue fast. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Pixlr troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.